would like to start my presentation. My presentation is about my favorite country. There are many cherry blossom trees in. Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. How are you? I'm also fine, thanks. At the beginning of my presentation, I remember my Allah who creates me. Then I remember my Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Then I remember my parents and my teacher who helped me to be here. Here present my honorable teacher Fuzul Karim sir and friends. Take my cordial salam. Assalamu alaikum. Now I would like to start my presentation. My presentation is about my favorite country. The name of my favorite country is South Korea. Seoul is the capital of South Korea. South Korea is the birthplace of K-pop. Their country's culture, the country's dress, the country's foods are very interesting and amazing. The country will bless you and it gives us peace. There are many cherry blossom trees there. There are many K-pop groups like BTS, Blackpink, TXT, EXO, Baby Monster, etc. That's all about my presentation. Thank you for being with me. Allah Hafiz.